This year is a new chapter for me and for the team as well. It's really the first year that the team has put in place different concepts on the car, a real structure for the future.
Aston Martin and Cognizant have a 5-year roadmap.
With Cognizant providing Internet of Things smart factory expertise, this is helping us design the most modern, efficient building in Formula One today.
As well as helping us to engineer our new infrastructure, Cognizant have also helped to reduce our carbon footprint. They're enabling us to maximize sustainability measures throughout the new campus, such as reducing electric. That's an example of what it means to have an intuitive model within AMF1. Cognizant. Intuition engineered.